What's up, man? Damn Jody people out there, man. I want all my damn mites. That's so good, man. I'm not gonna be doing no bullshit like that, but I don't understand why some people talk so fast on YouTube. I see a lot of people talking slow, nonchalant, and they doing good. They blowing up, they big. I'm not trying to be the next YouTube sensation, none of that. I just like to portray myself. I just like to showcase things. I just like to talk. I like to motivate. You know what I'm saying? If you're not motivated by some of the stuff I do, then you intimidated. This is 2021, man. We here, you know. We here. 2020 is old news. So if you coming into this year with the same mentality, go back, kill yourself, die. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to get my ass up this early in the morning. I seen something wrong with my car, so I'm finna go fix that. Try to fix it, nigga rig it. I'm gonna showcase the car, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna do a whole reveal, I'm gonna show y'all the ins and outs and the things that I believe that are important, what made me put that on the vehicle, and I'm gonna put it out to y'all. So y'all make sure that subscribe button, hit that notification, because it's coming. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Today, the first of the year. I wanna get this out. Martin Luther King Day coming up. You know I got him on there, so I'm paying tribute to him. So bear with me, y'all. We're gonna make this thing happen. Last night was epic. I really don't remember half of it. All I remember was waking up this morning in some way. Hopefully I can't say all that, man, for the kids and everything, but I'm here, man, on my floor. You see it. We had so much fun, man. So wait till I get downstairs and everything, then I'm gonna go over the car and everything, and then I'm gonna get that thing washed, and then I'm gonna talk to y'all. You dig? So I'm in the garage and everything. I don't know if I just was going so fast and something hit it. Something flew off or something. I pray that it wasn't in there. Hold on, turn on the light, man. How you turn on the light? But I'm out here in front of the car, man, as you can see. I'm finna go get car wash real quick, and then I'm gonna do a reveal. I'm gonna show y'all all the stuff about it, but check this shit out. Where the fuck this damn screw come from, and why is it there? You know what I'm saying? So, I'm gonna holler at the people that put it on. Hopefully it ain't nothing that's gonna make it fall off. But yeah. You see the car. Still in immaculate condition. But once I wash it, I'm gonna have it outside. There we go, there go the light. Then I'm gonna showcase it for y'all. Yeah. Hey, so today is New Year's, duh. And everything is closed. I can't get no car wash. I can't get my alignment. I can't get no oil change. But I'm up here getting some goddamn voodoo donuts, I tell you that. These motherfuckers is fire. So, I'm still park the car in the garage, man. Dirty or not, I'm gonna do this reveal. I'm gonna do this speak over, show y'all all the stuff that's going on. But man, goddamn voodoo donuts is the truth, man. Hope everybody having a good New Year's Day, chilling, lounging, relaxing. I'm finna get fat, fuck it. And go from there, man. So when I get done eating, be ready for this video to drop. You dig? Now the moment that everybody's been waiting on. The front of the car showcased one of the favorite quotes by Maya Angelou. You know, in diversity, there is beauty and strength. You know, so I decided to go with that. I'm gonna start off at the hood. It's a strong coated plexiglass see-through. You know, so you can see all the enclosed items that I have underneath the hood. I wanted to showcase that, but like the base of the design, like this design is a product of countless hours of research. It features all sorts of references to many substantial moments in Black history, and is a reflection of the power of change. You know, the artwork is neither intended to push any political motive nor degrade any other groups in society, such as the police or many other races that are part of the world. You know, instead, Corsa and myself wanted to bring forth a positive light, you know, on the accomplishment from the Black community that have come about over the times through movement, leaders, innovators, and unity. You know, so like on this side, the driver's side features like Martin Luther King Jr., you know, intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education by MLK. Then I just wanted to go a little bit more in detail on like first black officer, things like that, like pilots, the peaceful marches, you know. On this side I also put like the electric microphone, like James E. West, the 3-position traffic light by Garrick Morgan, you know, and other sayings like if there is no struggle, there is no progress by Frederick Douglass. You know, so I hit all type of things, like even the 1965 Selma to Montgomery marches, the Emmett Till murder trial of 1955, you know, and then even Colin Kaepernick, Nipsey Hussle, and a quote that I put, "Nothing can be changed till it's faced," by James Baldwin. And then on the back, as you see, Marvin Gaye. I decided to go with like Triumph tires, 14-inch in the rear, you know, with Michelin Cup 2. It's 345s by 20, you know, in the back, and 325, 30 by 20 in the front, you know. So like I was saying, the base of the design features a mixture of red, yellow, and green and black, colors that are found in many groups within the black culture. You know, like Pan-African Americanism, be it Black Lives Matter, Rastafari. But like honoring my request, the rear pays tribute in respect to some of the lives lost due to unnecessary violence, as well as shines some light on the positive impact of Black Lives Matter movement. Despite any controversy that has arisen this year, the core of the actual phrase is one of peace, unity, and equality, which is something we all value. You know, but me deciding to put some of the people that was lost on there, it was my idea, as well as the Black Lives Matter on the back. And then like moving over to the passenger side, you can just see like how wide the wheels is. You know what I'm saying? This ain't never been done before. First time with a Cherokee kit on it. But this side, of course, start with Malcolm X. And we got Biggie. And then I know for a fact, since I put Biggie, I had to put Tupac on there. You know what I'm saying? This is a chrome reflective wrap. If you pay attention to detail, and another quote I have on there is, "Every great dream begins with a dreamer," by Harriet Tubman. And of course, that's Tupac. That's the 1990 Tupac, before you start getting in trouble. But I wanted to put like the IBM color PC monitor and the gigahertz chip by Mark Dean, another black person that created that. The carbon fulfillment light bulb by Lewis Lattimore, who actually sold it in 1881 to the U.S. So ever since then, they started showing like Alexander Graham Bell or Thomas Edison created the light bulb. But in fact, it was another black person, Lewis Lattimore. But I also put on this side like the 1963 March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom, like the desegregation of public schools in the U.S. in 1960, you know, and the Times-Picayune newspaper. So if people don't pay attention to that, this is deep, y'all. You know, it's easier to build strong children than to repair broken men by Frederick Douglass is another saying that I put on the passenger side. But a lot of people don't know, inside the trunk, I also added work from Audio Boss, you know, Juan and his group. I don't have all the lights and everything set up now, but those are mirrors which are going to project like different lights. I got 2 amps, like HD series amps, and that's 2 12s, you know, so it's lights going to reflect all the way around, even on the cases of the 12s. If you see around there, you'll see how lights will be all around each speaker. So I'm trying to put everything together so we're going to see exactly how this is going to fit for like SEMA or any other like showcases I put this in. But also went with a carbon fiber SRT modified steering wheel, you know, and then trim all the way around They was also done by like Audio Boss. I still got the Wraith lights. You know what I'm saying? I just don't have them on right now. I'm waiting on my battery to come. So once that battery gets here, it's a lithium dry cell, like high powered battery. So let me show you the underneath the hood though. A lot of stuff has been seen already, like on previous meets and stuff that I went to. A lot of this stuff was done by like Mod Effects. You know, they ordered the stuff out of Billet Technology, so I wanted to put my logo on there, you know, Beloff Barbershop and the clippers and stuff like that. But they actually installed that, you know, in the catch can, and then like the oil dipstick, you know, things like that. Still got my green belt, so yeah, fuck with me if you want to. I still got the see-through radiator hose. You know, it lights up at night. I don't know if it died, but I powder coated, you know, everything inside to match. I'm thinking I did a pretty good job. The JLT air filter sets it off a little bit too. So I couldn't show everything on the inside with the plexiglass, but I wanted to make sure I showed the most important pieces. You know, even the triple fuel pump right there. I just wanted to make sure that it was clean at the same time. Just something to show, you know what I'm saying? But then like there comes all the detail. Each side features a different collection of figures, quotes, historical media, and innovations that come from the Black community. Like each individual in the design was requested by me, you know, while the rest was selected by Corsa. You know, as I walk around, the artwork is neither intended to push any political motive though. But there's so much stuff I can talk about, you know, on this vehicle. Like the design represents the incredible achievement, you know, by the Black community in education, innovation, and entertainment, and advocation. History has ups and downs, right? But yet we can all appreciate the beautiful outcomes that can arise from progress through the discomfort of struggle. Like we are each just one person, but when we learn to respect, discuss, listen, and understand each other, we can become a unified force for making the world a better place for everyone. You know what I'm saying? So thank you to all the people, you know, all the flawless install for HTX, insanely intricate wrap. They nailed it. If chrome wasn't difficult enough to install on a wide body, it's overlaid and reflective, you know. So I just want to thank everybody that, you know, especially me for choosing to convey a beautiful message through the power of art. Like 2020 has been filled with the hardship and challenges none of us has expected, and we hope this rap can bring a smile to anyone's face during this rough year. You know, so big ups to everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and put this out and hope y'all like it. Tell me what you think.